Sorry, I lost my chain of thought.
Yeah, it's okay because there was maybe connection problem. You are talking आपने बात कर रहे थे छेड़ी थी गली बॉय के बारे में. मैंने वहां पे
Yeah.
जब मैंने मूवी देखी थी पहली बार सिनेमा में, पहला सीन आपका आता है जैसे कि आपकी एंट्री एज अ हीरो, वो जैसे बॉलीवुड फिल्मों में दिखाई देता है, तो वो
जी.
दिख रहा था. और आपके पीछे रणवीर सिंह अभी तक दिखाई नहीं दिए. तो
जी.
वो कोई प्लस पॉइंट था ये आपके लिए, आपकी नजर में, कि यहाँ आओ पहले तो कोई और दिखाई दे वो नहीं दिखाई दे जो लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे उनका.
No, because Zoya is not that filmmaker who makes very typical Bollywood
Yes,
films per se. So when
yes.
I read the script, it was the first shot was of Moeen. It was written like that. So I was excited to do that, but I didn't realize that it will be looking and it will be such a long shot. At the same time, it will be the music and everything, the title sequence. I didn't see any of that. I just saw that it could be like just a couple of shots before you introduce the main characters. But the way she played it out, it was a surprise for me as well. While shooting, it was fun, and I was getting such incredible feedback from the team that this is looking so good and so on and so forth. So I think it's something that every actor wants, that you come बड़े पर्दे पे एकदम से स्टाइल से. So I think वो हो गया.
वही हो गया, सही बात है आपकी. आप also you done short roles after that also in Super 30 on and also in Manto Ansar, and also in
Yeah,
Suitable Boy Rashid. आपकी
yeah.
नजर में छोटा रोल अगर हुआ तो वो उसका
Hmm.
इम्पैक्ट कितना बड़ा होना चाहिए, yani how much it should be impactable if it is a very short role? What you need exactly to make it impact people or audience by this short role, as you done
There
it
has
in
to be.
Super 30?
Yeah, I mean, the length is important, but not the only thing important. Sometimes, what a certain character comes and does within the story. Does it move the people? Does it move something in the main scheme of things? Does he contribute anything directly to the main players? Um, um, in any form, like we are dealing with emotions, right? Does he come and give people a sense of hope in a very hopeless story? Does he come and give people laughter in a very otherwise not funny film? So you need to weigh it down, like as to what it is that the director wants from this character, and why does he want you to play this character, and what are you bringing on the table?
Mhm.
Like in Super 30, it's just a special appearance that I settled for. He comes in the beginning and he's there in the end, and he gives, and it's mostly a voiceover.
Yeah.
But I felt like it's such a noble story where we are talking about education, which is like a real crisis in India, and the importance of it. And what he says in the end, I mean it from my heart when that character says that, you know what, once one person gets educated in a family, not just him, his entire family and his generations to come will benefit from it. So I want to be the voice behind that message sometimes. So I do parts just for something like this sometimes.
वाह. विजय, मैंने आपकी एक वो भी मूवी देखी थी, गोस्ट स्टोरीज, जहां
Yeah.
आप जानवी का जो हिस्सा है उनके उनका कपल बनते हो. सो व्हेन आई सॉ
जी.
दिस scenes and this acting of you, I believe that you should be in the industry as a leading man, like
Yeah.
what even as a villain, like आपकी जो शक्ल, मैं कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ आपकी तस्वीर, यहाँ आप बिल्कुल विनोद खन्ना ऑफ 70s दिख रहे हो. सेम टू सेम, रियली, आई बिलीव मी. सो मैंने जब देखा था बोले कि आपको लीडिंग रोल मिलना चाहिए इसके बाद, जैसे कि इरफान खान, लेटर इरफान खान, या फिर नवाजुद्दीन
Yeah.
सिद्दीकी, वैसा आपका आपका दौर चल रहा है अभी, वैसा मेरी नजर में है. सो व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट दैट?
I think I am with you on this opinion that slowly and steadily I should get myself to play leading parts. Uh, I'm very, I'm very happy to be shooting. Sometimes I forget that this is not a very big role or a very small role or whatever, because I really have great time shooting. But with the kind of participation I put in from my end to do a project, I can do a lot more with my time, and therefore going forward, you'll see me in leading roles a lot more than what happened. I had to correct my life, after Monsoon Shootout, which was my first film as a leading man.
या.
It never got a release for 6 7 years. So
Yes.
I had to pick myself up all over again, do whatever I could do to get here, you know. So now I'm spoiled for choices right now, and I can pick and choose the right kind of stuff.
वाह। विजय सर, आपकी जिंदगी में और हर किसी की जिंदगी में एक स्टेशन आता है। आपका जो स्टेशन बहुत ही अहम स्टेशन था गली बॉय का। उसके बाद एक दूसरा
जी
स्टेशन आया आपका शी में।
जी
सस्या का जो रोल था वो हैदराबादी रोल। मुझे क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो एक्सेंट है हैदराबादी की, या जो आपने इस किरदार निभाया, वो आपका लिखा हुआ है। आई नो इम्तियाज अली ही रिटन द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ही रिटन एवरीथिंग,
yeah
बट द कैरेक्टर wise you did the character of Hyderabadi accent. I don't know. I think that.
uh no, he's written the character exactly the way it is. Of course there could be some lines here and there which I could be improvising, but I don't remember them very vividly. He had written the character, and he had written exactly what this character will do and will say. And they've also got somebody from Hyderabad to write the Hyderabadi dialogue. So the draft
Okay.
that I got was already written in Hyderabad. So he is very meticulous that way, and he workshopped the hell out of that character with me and the girl Aditi. So we workshopped a lot. We workshopped for like 15 days before we went on to the shoot. We knew exactly what we were going to do. It was a tough character, and it was a tough journey for all of us if we had not done enough workshop. That relationship and that character and the darkness between the two and the sexual tension would not have come alive, you know. So I think he told me that he was very happy that I knew Hyderabadi the way he wanted it.
Okay.
Not just the language, but just as a also as a place, as a culture, as वहाँ के लोगों का कुछ है एक, they enjoy life a lot differently than the others.
Why I mean about this question, because हमारे कंट्री में, यूएई में या फिर कई गल्फ कंट्रीज में, यहाँ के जो इंडियन है, यहाँ के जो ज्यादातर जो भाषा बोलते हैं वो हैदराबादी एक्सेंट से बोलते हैं। तो ये जो
जी
रोल था आपका शी में बावा का, बहुत ही करीब था दिल के सबके लिए। इतना करीब था
क्या
कि
बात।
मुझे कुछ लोगों ने बोले कि कुछ, जब उनको पता चला कि मैं आपके साथ इंटरव्यू करने वाला हूँ, बोले उनको पूछना, हमको बहुत ही ये गुस्सा आ रहा है कि उनका जो रोल था फर्स्ट सीजन में वो खत्म हो गया, वो क्योंकि दूसरे
हाँ
सीजन में देखना चाहते हैं आपको। तो पता नहीं, अगर आई बिलीव इन माय ओपिनियन, मे बी इम्तियाज अली ही आल्सो inside himself that he feeling, oh my god, I need this guy again in second season. I don't know, maybe he will do something like what Mirzapur done with you. I will go to Mirzapur before you answer this question.
No, I realized it right after shooting and during the editing. Couple of times I spoke to Imtiaz sir, and he was like, I think people are going to miss Sasya when it ends. So
Of
he had
course.
an idea. He had an idea, and but then we also have to make sure that a character like Sasya meets the end that he deserves. You know, like we've seen enough, really badly behaved men getting away from what they do on screen, right? So I think that way it's the right statement to make, that this guy has been forcing himself on a girl or whatever reason, and he's also dealing in a narcotics in the underworld, and this person deserves the death that he got. It's justice that way, so it's good.
Believe me, if I'm the producer of She, I will tell the scriptwriter to make another Sasya like twins of that guy and come in the second season with him. For that reason, I'm asking about
फंसा सस्या का भाई
Fasya.
फंसा
ससिया का भाई फसिया, जैसे कि छोटा का भाई बड़े या छोटे। अब आई एम गोइंग टू दिस नाउ मिर्जापुर। In Mirzapur, I feel that the makers play very well and very safely because they know that we are dealing with Vijay Verma now. Really, believe me, मैं आपसे बहुत सच्चाई की बात करता हूँ आपके साथ, क्योंकि मैं एक फिल्म क्रिटिक हूँ और डायरेक्टर हूँ। जब मैंने मिर्जापुर फर्स्ट पार्ट देखे है, दूसरा पार्ट में जब मुझे पता चला कि आप उसमें हैं, तो मैं बोला वाओ, that's what they are doing now. They are making this in the length of what they will do in the third part. In the end of the credit, they show you like in the Marvel movies, जब कोई खतरनाक विलन दिखाता